Hey, good morning, El Paso. This is your friend, the realtor Matt Cannon with Keller Williams Realty, Core Team El Paso. Today is Friday, November the 18th, 2022. And let's talk about the market segments. We're talking East Side, Horizon, West Side, and what are the differences in those segments? First off, if we start looking at 79938, which is known as the Far East, the Tierras type area, right now we still see a big difference between the lower end pricing segment and the higher end pricing segment, specifically when it comes to days on market. You'll notice the absorbed rate is very high in the low twos to the high twos, and once you get over 300 to 400,000, they are still moving, just not quite as a rapid rate as the lower priced inventory naturally. As we move over to the 79928, we kind of have a similar situation. You're going to notice the mid twos to the high twos. We do have good absorption last week. We also have good days on markets, and you'll notice they are starting to creep up as we get into the threes and of course into the fours. If we're looking back over to the west side, 79911, we're going to notice a similar story. We're going to notice the bracket kind of shifts upward. Instead of the low twos to mid twos, you're really shifting up to the threes. And you're also going to then move up into the $400,000 to $500,000 range. We did have some absorbs in the low to mid threes. We also had some above 500. If you look over at 79912, which is also the west side, you're going to notice a lot of solds in the lower price point, which over there is naturally the mid 200s to 300s. Those are going to move a little bit quicker. There were some good absorbs over there in the higher price points, in the 400s, even as high as the 700. The days on market are naturally longer for those homes, and they are moving pretty well. Real quick, thanks for tuning in. Interest rates, this has been an interesting week. The rates are still kind of moving up and down. If you hear from your loan officer, your realtor, hey, the rates went down, it's a good time to lock it in, you should take that advice because rates are volatile. You are still getting good promotions and good plans to get those low interest rates. As always, if you guys need help or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or my team through social media or contact me directly. You have a great week, El Paso. Bye-bye.